Sitting here in the living room watching our cat watch the birds on the TV. Cleo! She don't care how big that bird is. She's gonna get it. Well, I'm down for this weekend. I'm trying to come up with stuff to talk about. Had an ingrown toenail, and they removed a section of the nail. So now I have to keep my foot up, and I have to sit around and do nothing all day today, and pretty much all weekend. So one more weekend, I'm not going to be able to do anything to the truck. This is really kind of getting irritating. But anyway, we'll figure out some stuff to talk about, and we'll get this video underway. If you have a cat, look up bird watching on YouTube. And watch your cat go nuts. A week and a half later, finally get my truck back. Excited. My toe is feeling better. I didn't do anything this weekend, as you can tell. This kind of jumped. The doctor told me to stay off my feet, so I tried to do that all weekend. Kind of crazy. There's a new motor in there. Not that it's gonna go any faster. I gotta go get in here. Finally get to drive my truck again. Oh, my trash is still all there. Oh, home sweet home. That's how I get this baby started up and get on down the road. Where do we start? I'm in Ohio. Cincinnati to be exact. I just got done getting loaded and I'll be back home. This weekend I'll be able to work on the Ranger because I'm finally feeling 100%. As you all know, my sciatic nerve went to hell. That's in your lower back. I went to the chiropractor, got that worked on. Everything's fine with that. And then I ended up with an ingrown toenail on my big toe, and that hurt like hell for about a week. I thought I could get rid of it, but I ended up having to go to the doctor and get part of my nail removed. It's just a little sliver off the side, but still, I couldn't do nothing last weekend. And that just killed me to just sit there. I couldn't even hardly do nothing around the house. I can't sit around. I had so much to do last weekend, but I just wasn't able to. So, finally, the irritation's gone away. The toe's back to good. I'm about done with my antibiotics, so I'm not going to lose a toe. I see a lot of my friends out there that are not taking care of themselves, and for one reason or another, they end up with infections. They're losing toes, they're losing feet, they're losing legs, and it just really scared the hell out of me to get an infection. And it blew me away that, you know, that could have been a possibility. I mean, with me being diabetic, that possibility is there. And I don't eat what I'm supposed to. In fact, truth be known, I've already shared it on Facebook that I've already gained back like 15 to 20 pounds. I'm back up like almost at 280 something. So I'm getting back on the bandwagon of losing weight because I want to keep going down. I don't want to keep going up. And I've been eating like crap. So there we go. That's out of there. This weekend, got to finish the bag mounts. That's what we were supposed to be doing 3 weeks ago. Finish the bag mounts, start working on the cross members. We've changed gears. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get a fuel cell for the truck so we can mount it behind the axle between the frame and go that route. So with that being said, we're not going to worry about how the cross members go across, except for the fact that it's got to be under and over, or over, yeah, whatever, on the drive shaft. The drive shaft has to still be able to move all the way up and down with the way the whole truck moves. So that has to be done. We'll try to get working on that. The parts that I ordered from Thorbros are pretty much a week behind, but that's because of, I believe it was LST they went to this past week. So, I mean, that's understandable. I mean, you know, a business has to be able to have fun, and so they went and had fun. So he's already got that in the mail. It should be at the house before this weekend. If not, no big deal. We're not going to need the parts right now, so that's okay. Besides, I couldn't use them last weekend anyway. So we'll get those parts. We'll be able to look at those parts and see where we are with those. Get the bag mounts done. Start working on the pan hard bar. Get that in. Start thinking about ordering the fuel cell and whatever else we can possibly get done this weekend. I probably need to go ahead and do a few things outside around the house. We still got Christmas lights up. I got to get the Christmas lights down. I've got all kinds of Christmas ornaments and stuff that are all still on the front porch. We got new end tables and a new coffee table for the living room. So the old end tables and the old table are still in the living room. I got to get those out of there and get those moved out. There's so many things that we've got going on right now. It's time to catch up. I've got so many little parts and little trinkets and stuff that have come in. I ordered some stuff off Wish, so I'm gonna put those into use and show you some of those things that I got off of Wish, and that way if you guys want to get on there and order some stuff, then this stuff will be, I mean, it's almost kind of looks worth the prices that I paid for this stuff. So we'll do that on this weekend's video as well. What else? I need to get the shop straightened up. It's kind of just all over again, so I need to straighten that stuff out. I still got valves out. I gotta figure out which valves I'm gonna use and then start getting those thawed up. I believe the air tank is now gonna go into a different spot. We may end up shoving that underneath and mounting it up where the gas tank was. That way it's tucked up under and out of the way. But that also depends on how big the air tank is. So it may not be able to fit there. It may actually, which might actually be safer, to put it directly behind the fuel cell. So if that's the case, then we would end up having the fuel cell and then the air tank, and then we want to do a hidden hitch because we're going with the pan hard bar. I'm sorry, the roll pan. We're going to put a roll pan on the back and eliminate the back bumper. Like I said, I ordered a license plate box for the license plate to go into the tailgate. I'm going to mount it where pretty much nobody ever does. I'm not going to mount it crooked. I'm not going to mount it off to the side. I'm going to mount it right in the middle as best I can underneath the handle to the tailgate. And the reason I'm going to do that is because then it's almost in a stock location, just up a little higher off of the roll pan. It's not going to get bent up. It'll be right there. We'll put some lights in there and call it a day. Cop cannot bitch at me for it being too low. Being crooked, because they can't read stuff that's sideways or crooked like this. Which I don't get that. And I don't know why we got to have lights on our license plates. How about that one? Why do we need lights on our license plates? Don't you have headlights? Do they ever creep up on you with their headlights off? Sir, I could not see your license plate because I don't have headlights. No, they don't ever do that. So that's gonna be fixed. We got so much to do. We're so far. We're what, almost 4 weeks behind on the list of crap that we needed to get done. So I mean, it is serious go time. My wife will be off this weekend, so she'll be right there to help me. We will not be able to take this truck to the Freaks state meeting. We wanted to get it done so we could drive it over there, but I don't think it's going to happen because we've only got, what, I think 3 weeks, 4 weeks, something like that. I can't remember exactly, and I don't know where my freaking calendar is. Dang it. No, I don't know where my calendar is. I had a calendar. I don't remember where it is now, though. What else? I'm still looking for the calendar. Let me look real quick. I think I got one right here. I'm not sure what else. I could get into just talking and bullshitting about anything, but then that gets boring. The state meet is April, January, February, March, April. Yeah, April 13th. So it is January. You know, it's February. It's March. Oh my God. Yeah. No, there's no way. It's already the 6th. So we've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weekends, and then the 6th weekend is the state meet. I don't know. Depending on how hard we work on it, there's no telling how much we could get done. Just got to stay with it. I got to do my freaking back stretches. I got to make sure that I'm taking care of my foot. That way I don't end up with more downtime again. Now I know what I did wrong, so that's what I need to do to keep it. I mean, there's all kinds of videos on YouTube, and that's what I did. I went and looked at YouTube. I went to the chiropractor. I got cracked, and I started doing everything I needed to do to get my back better. Now I know what I've done wrong, which means when I wear out my back leaned over welding, I need to do some mega stretches in the opposite direction. And if you look up some of the videos on sciatic nerve, you'll understand exactly what I'm talking about and why my back went the way it did. So I'm not going to sit here and explain it because they've got a crap load of videos on there that you can look up. Other than that, I was looking for a dry erase marker. That's in here in my other folder. There's not really much else that I can really talk about. Life's been good out here on the road. My dog, she's all better. A lot of you guys know that she had that pit bull attack. I almost took her out, but she survived, and she's doing really good now. She's down there eating all her food right now. And I'm happy I got my truck back. There's nothing like being home sweet home in this truck. I absolutely love being in my own space with my own stuff organized the way it's supposed to be. So, come on. You want to come up here? There she is. April! What? What are you doing? Did you run out of water? You need me to get some water too, huh? Yep. Dang it. Now I dropped my freaking dry erase marker. Not that I was going to draw anything. I'm going to wear you out with some ums if I just keep trying to think of stuff. That's it. That's it, brothers and sisters, whoever's watching. Give some thumbs up for finally being up to par. Oh, that's a weird thumb up. Now see, look, I can do magic tricks. How did I do that? I don't know. Thumbs up, comment, ask questions. What would you like to know? I've been thinking about doing a like a small life history video. I know some of you have already talked about me doing that. I posted something up on Facebook the other day telling a little bit about my history and past. So I thought about doing that. Anyway, aside from all of that, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being here. Sorry I did not get a video. I'm always sorry. I really am. So I know you guys are going to be like, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't say sorry. But I'm still going to say sorry. It's what I am. It's who I am. And we'll see you guys this weekend on another video. I've got so many people that are on my ass about getting to this truck. So I'm going to say peace out. Earthscraper69. Search it on the internet. Follow me on Snapchat. I've been doing a lot of Snapchatting. I do Instagram, Twitter and Tumblr, they're just side stuff where stuff gets sent to it, but I don't ever check it and I don't ever comment or nothing. So you want to get a hold of me on Instagram, get a hold of me on Snapchat, get a hold of me on Facebook, get a hold of me on here, and we'll make this thing work. So until next time, you guys have a good day, and yeah, move towards the future and building it and dreaming and loving and fuck, I don't know. Later, guys.